How to make fake Gatorade for pranks. Gatorade is a common drink among teenagers and is known for its brightly colored juice. Fool your friends with nothing more than water, an empty Gatorade bottle, and food coloring. Steps. 1. Gather the ingredients. You will need an empty Gatorade bottle, water, and lots of different food coloring. 2. Mix the ingredients. It is best to have an already used Gatorade bottle, and the wrapper is essential to the prank going well. Pour the water into the bottle. If you are making lemon-lime Gatorade, make sure you are using that kind of bottle and wrapper. Add food coloring until it looks just right. Close the lid, shake it up, and make sure it is thoroughly mixed together. 3. Find the right person. Don't choose your school's Albert Einstein to pull this on. Someone not stupid, just your average kid. Say, "Hey, I got a Gatorade in the vending machine, and I punched in the wrong number. I don't like this flavor." If the kid says yes, watch as she realizes it tastes nothing like it. If you don't like the results, try again on another kid, just be sure to wash the bottle out. Tips. Sometimes this can work on even a best friend. If you pour it into a glass, beforehand say to your friend, "Hey, there is this new flavor of Gatorade. You gotta try it." If she accepts, watch as she realizes it isn't new. Warnings. Even though it is just water, don't drink it for fun. It leaves your teeth and tongue stained, and leaves a bad aftertaste.